Assalamualaikum, this is Abdullah. Once again, I am going to cover 3 more phrases in this video, and I hope that you have watched my recent video which I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. And I am going to start my video with the first phrase, that is, can I have item please? Can I have item please? You are going for a market and you are asking from a man who is working in that factory. So how you can ask from him like that? You will use this phrase there. Okay, can I have 200 gram of sugar? Can I have that blue one pencil? Can I have that blue one pointer? Can I have this pair of shoes? So like that you can use this phrase in the market when you go to buy something for yourself. Okay, the second phrase of this video is how late are you open? 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 It means that you are asking from somebody and you have gone to a shop and you have purchased something, and that man asks you please come later here. Then you will ask from that man, which is shopkeeper, that how late are you open. It means what is time which you will close that your shop and you close the market. So this is how you can use this phrase, how late are you open? How late are you open? So this is the use of this phrase, how late are you open. The third phrase of this video is how do I plus verb phrase. How do I plus verb phrase. How do I plus verb? How do I plus verb phrase. You can say that, for example, more people speak like that, please teach me this, please teach me how to drive a car, please teach me how to use a mobile phone, and please teach me how to use computer. So instead of it, then you can use this phrase, that how do I learn computer, how do I ride bicycle, how do I drive a car, and you can use in different situation. So this is the use of this phrase. Okay, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up on the bell icon as you get notification of my new uploaded video. And if you are watching me on the Facebook, so please you will find there above follow button, please press it and follow me. And if you are on the YouTube, please go and subscribe and press the bell icon as you get notification of new uploaded video. Thank you.